Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick action pose and showing the figure from the back in a foreshortening sort of way. So if you have your pencils all set, we will draw something and we will begin with this arc, which is the upper body, lower body, one leg, second leg. As I said, that foreshortening involved, so they're going to show somewhat like that. Shoulder length, shoulders, and then one, and go right there, ending in oval, and the other hand going like so, ending somewhere there. And then of course we'll have the head right around here. So it's like a pose in which the figure is pulling an object toward himself or herself. So we'll begin like this, that I'm putting right around the lines, some kind of anatomy there. And again, it will depend on the angle. It will depend on the angle, it will depend on what figure you're trying to base your drawing on. So slightly like curved back right there, slightly heightened muscle structure, and thereby that lat proportion. And there we have so let's say that there's a tug of war type of pose. So we're going to put in a hand like that, and the other hand, of course, which is again shown in a foreshortened manner. It's right there, and with the fingers coming inward, there's the bit of the thumb right there, 2, 3, and 4. So that is taken care of, and then we go into the lower body, which is right there. So we'll go around the bum like that, put in this leg, which is, so I'm not necessarily depicting that, but it's more toward like coming inward like that. And the other leg, which is foreshortened, and you can make it as wide as possible, but I think just possibly that wide would be just about sufficient. And then depending on how you're showing the terrain, how much foreshortening you're showing, you will show it just that much apart, and that will give it that proportion that you need to get the pose going. And there we have it. It's like a tug of war type of thing, or just pulling at something. Or even if you could have this hand placed down somewhere here, you could be holding a sword. So very instrumental for different purposes. And of course you will have the head right around there, with the eyes, the ear right around there, and there we have it. So if I were to put in some highlights just to show the character better. So let's say the shadows are like coming in from the front. Of course, you would have to take care of the proportions on the back, and the back is a very, very complex muscle to tackle. So, but it's also a lot of fun. It can really bring out a lot of fun cross-hatching and a lot of like variations in tones according to how complex or how built the person's back is. I am going with the assumption that this man is like just sufficiently putting in a lot of pressure there. He is fit and he's in a tug of war, let's say, and putting in some tones accordingly, some crosshatches, but very, very quickly. But then of course, if he were wearing shorts, the muscle structure on the lower quad and the quad would be like that, and the calf, just so much detail, and then of course the ankle and the foot itself, and the other leg characteristically, depending on what medium you're utilizing, will be in some sort of shadow when it's actually accurate to do that. And if there's a light source coming in from elsewhere, you could still show some light and tones falling from different angles and highlight it differently or make it darker. It's all up to you. It's your ball game. There we have it. It's just a quick sketch of an action pose shown from the back. I actually forgot entirely about this arm, so we'll put in just some details right there and keep it going around the fingers, around the hand, right there, and there we go. So thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. I have a lot of fun drawing poses from this angle. Have yourself a wonderful day.